Learn how to answer problems, solutions questions in IELTS writing. This type of questions gives you an issue and asks you to describe some common problems associated with it and propose some possible solutions. In this lesson you will see problem solution question sample, learn how to generate ideas, learn band 9 answering strategies, see full band 9 answer question. Despite a large number of gyms, a sedentary lifestyle is gaining popularity in the contemporary world. What problems are associated with this? What solutions can you suggest? Band 9 answer sample. These days a sedentary lifestyle is becoming more and more popular despite a big number of sport facilities. This essay will discuss the main problems associated with this epidemic and propose some possible solutions to avoid them. The main problems caused by an active lifestyle are obesity and various spine disorders. A growing number of body research shows that long periods of physical inactivity raise a risk of becoming overweight. This is because people burn fewer calories and easily gain weight. What's more, a lot of studies show that so-called sitting disease often results in posture and backbone problems. Due to constant sitting, person loses muscle tissue and curved spine, developing numerous spinal diseases. For example, it has been proven that about 80% of people experience backache at least once a week. In my opinion, the best solution to these problems is promoting active lifestyle. Firstly, millions of people stay less active because they use cars instead of walking. Therefore, an effective way to make people more active is to advertise walking and cycling as safe and attractive alternatives to motorized transport. Moreover, inactive lifestyle is gaining popularity because nowadays a lot of people prefer passive rest to workouts in the gym. And the best way to avoid the hazards of unhealthy living is to obtain a regular dose of physical activity. Thus, promoting gyms and regular exercising would increase the level of activity. In conclusion, leading a sedentary lifestyle causes a lot of health problems, including obesity and spinal diseases. The most effective solution is to increase the level of fitness among the society by advertising physical activity. 268 words.